your first $500 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click, so basically Google Ads. Now, why I'm talking about Google Ads a lot is because you see, you can, as a beginner, make good money if you know which traffic source is great for your audience. Now, Google, it's really great for beginners and for professionals. Why? Because you see, when you're running ads, what is the most important is intent, buyer's intent, right? What do you mean by that? You see, people go on Google to look for the solutions to their pains and problems, right? So you usually see myself, either we go on Google, we search for something before we buy, right? Or we just go there to buy, right? When we see the ads. So that's how it works. You have to go on Google. Why? Because they are buyers. You're looking for buyer's intent. It's much more easier to make a lot of money and much more simpler when you know where to look for your buyers' clicks, right? So let's say we go on Google. The next thing is we go on Clickbank, so affiliate network. We choose a product that's paying at least $50 to $200 per sale with great upsell take rate. Why is this important? Because you want to maximize your ad spend, right? If you're spending $1, you want to make $5 back. If you're spending $1, you want to make $2 back, $3 back, right? As much as possible. So yes, it's possible to make 5 times your money back or 10 times your money back on $1, right? If you know where to search for what offers to promote with good upsell take rate, right? So if someone buy a $50 product, they also buy a $200 product. So you make $250 in daily commission from one person. Now, the next thing that's very important is also this. You have to have someone who will guide you through. So you get away from all that stress, disaster that can happen if you don't know what you're doing, right? If you just buy some course, there's no personal support, you don't know what you're doing, wasting time, wasting money, and you are not getting any results. Now, the next thing is also, what's actually important is to understand your audience. Language you're speaking. What language you're using. Why? Because you will be able to write a great pre-sale page. You will write great ad that you pre-sell them and convert them into the buyer. At the end of the day, you want buyers, not just clicks, right? It doesn't matter how many people click if they don't buy. So most courses, most gurus on Clickbank tell you, okay, let's split test. So what is split testing? It's trying, it's messing around. You don't know what you're doing, right? Split testing is waste of time and money, right? Because if you know your audience, it makes sense, right? If you know your audience, you don't have to split test anything because you know what language they use, what they respond to, and what they are buying, right? Very important thing. So no, maybe you're a beginner watching this video. Maybe you want to make your first $1,000 a day, a week. I don't know what your goal is. It's possible, right? Especially during COVID, people were buying a lot of stuff online. E-commerce is very high, so people are buying online, right? Would you agree with that? Of course, they're buying online. Now, if you really want to get results, you can connect with me after watching this video. Just click subscribe button over here, like this video, and leave the comment below, right? Where I can personally go out and help you to actually get the results with Clickbank affiliate marketing, and then we can make something happen. Again, thank you for watching this video, and do only contact me. All the social media are below. If you're really serious, if you have money to invest in yourself, to make something out of it, so you can get away from 9 to 5, you can do something for yourself, your family, and live basically your dream lifestyle. Okay, thank you for watching.